Introducing the 2022 Skoda Karoq SPORTLINE 1.2. This stunning 5-door estate art Jeep is packed with top-of-the-line features for an unbeatable driving experience. From the sleek white exterior to the luxurious interior trim, every detail of this vehicle is designed for comfort and style. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy the convenience of satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and wireless charging. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Contact us at or visit our website burnscarsales.ie for more information. Drive in style and peace of mind with the Skoda Karoq SPORTLINE 1.0 TSI.